let's talk quickly about hydronic HVAC systems. I think many engineers on the call are familiar with them. We've been talking about them for a little bit, so I'd love to jump into the example. But Keith, if you wouldn't mind running through basically why hydronic systems are so neat, but also why they are a high first cost, and maybe the considerations that utilities should think about to potentially get cultivators to consider hydronic systems, non-energy benefits as well.
Yeah, and so I'm going to go with the basis that we've got a heat recovery chiller source, so that there is both hot and cold water. And the term that's in this slide called a four pipe system is just that. There are two cold water lines and two hot water lines coming to and from many different elements in the building. And what's beautiful about water is it's easy to pipe and to control throughout the network. The same cannot be said of refrigeration piping, uh, but it is easier to kind of just loop it up and take the water where you need it. You have to design all the rest of the appropriate elements in all these different rooms to take advantage of it. But it's an easy, logical step that the consulting engineer can go through to lay out and utilize energy in the entire facility.